Hi everyone, Josh here from MI Digital. Volume discounts are a great way to incentivize customers to purchase individual products in large quantities. Think wholesale or bulk buying. This discount strategy can help you move more units and lead to a higher average order value. First, select the volume discount and add a name. This name is only used internally and will not be shown to your customers. Then, select how the discount should be applied, either based on the entire product or a specific variant. Next, select how you'd like the discounts to be calculated. Here, you'll also have two options, either applying the discount to each product in the cart or by applying the discount based on your buyer's total cart value. The first option, applying the discount to each product, means you'd only like customers to get a discount when a certain amount of products are in the cart. The second option, based on cart value, is best used if you'd like to apply discounts when the user's cart has reached a specific dollar amount. For example, spend $50, save 10%, or spend $50 and get $5 off. Once you've defined a discount formula that works best for your business, it's time to select the products you'd like the volume discounts to be offered. You can offer volume discounts on any product, variant, collection, tag, vendor, or even the entire store. You can also configure optional settings for the volume discount. If you'd like to restrict the location of your volume discounts, simply enter eligible countries where the offer should be shown. You can also schedule a start and end date for your discounts. If nothing is set here, your discount will start immediately. Once you're happy with the configuration, simply click Create Tiered Pricing, and your discount rule will run as expected. That's all for now. If you need further assistance, contact our support team via the live chat button, and we'd be happy to help. Also, be sure to check out our other tutorials to learn more about the full capabilities of the app. Thanks for watching.